What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be talking about this particular tool called Postiz. Now in my past few videos I have been talking about OpenClaw, which is an amazing tool that could be used to build automation flows. The most common use case for OpenClaw is that people are building agents that could do research, create content like articles, blog posts, reels or tweets, and then schedule them to be posted on social media at a regular interval. This is where Postiz comes in. Postiz is an open source scheduling tool that could be self-hosted and then used for free to schedule all your content, and it even comes with analytics which helps you to see how your content is performing. Now Postiz has plans that you could use right out of the box, or you could self-host it yourself and then use it along with your agent orchestration tool like OpenClaw or Hermes or Claude completely for free. I was trying to self-host it on my VPS, and that's when I noticed that a lot of people are struggling with issues as well. So in this video, let's see how to self-host Postiz on a VPS. For this demo, I'll be using Hostinger, but feel free to use any VPS of your choice. And if you don't have VPS, you could also host it on your own machine, your own personal machine. That's up to you. Let's get started, guys. Now Hostinger by default comes with Docker installed, but if your VPS doesn't have Docker, kindly SSH into it through your terminal and then install Docker using the command line interface. Since Hostinger already has Docker, let's get started with this. And Hostinger also comes with a lot of one-click deploy options. That is, like, a lot of tools are available here which you can directly deploy onto your VPS using just a click. So yeah, first let's see if Postiz also comes as a one-click option, but I wouldn't recommend this since there were a lot of errors when I tried this and I got stuck here. But even if they fixed it now, or even if you find a way to fix this, it doesn't come with all the containers here, guys. As you can see here, I've already deployed Postiz here, which I'm using in production, but I just stop that particular project so that I could deploy it once again and show you guys how it's done here. And as you can see here, it has 9 containers, right? If you use the one-click option, it just doesn't have this Spotlight container. The Spotlight is an excellent SDK that provides you real-time observability. Like, you can debug, look at logs, you can look through stack traces and all that if in case you encounter an error. And it also injects environment variables in real time inside the application as it runs. So I would highly recommend this Spotlight package as well, container as well, when you deploy Postiz. Let's see how to do that manually. So first of all, click on Compose and then use the Compose manually, and enter a project here. Postiz tests. Okay, and go to the YAML editor. Now I'll provide this YAML file as a gist, and the link to that gist will be in the description section below. So let me just copy this and then paste it here. You need some environment variables as well, which I'll once again provide in a gist in the description section. The link would be there in the description section. Kindly make use of it. I have that here as well. Okay, now let's deploy this and see what happens. Alright, now you can see that our project has been deployed, but it's showing it as partially running, right? So obviously one or more containers are not running. Let's see which one. Okay, the temporal container is not running, it's just showing exited. Let's see how to fix that. Go into manage and then go into logs. Okay, you can see the error here, right? No such file or directory, config dynamic config development sql.yaml. This is the error. So in order to fix this, what you can do is, it's just a file not found error, guys. What you can do is just go to the terminal and then you just need to create that file. That's it. This is one easy way of accessing the terminal, guys, but what I would recommend is SSH directly from your terminal, your system terminal, into this VPS. That would be the secure way of doing it, but this is like a convenient way to do it. That's it. Now from here, what you can do is just go into root and cd into Docker. Now here you would be able to see all the projects that you have. Cd into Postiz test, and here you can see that there is a dynamic config folder, right? Inside this is where we need to, where is that? Inside this is where we need to create this development sql.yaml file. So what you need to do is just give cd into that and just give touch, what was that file name? Yeah, now you can see that the file exists here, right? So if we deploy now, it should go fine. Let's see what happens. Yeah, now you can see that it's running fine, right? So now if you open, yeah, now you can see that Postiz is hosted directly on your VPS and you can use it completely for free. You could also connect it with OpenClaw and then use it. Let's just create a user. So yeah, now we have self-hosted Postiz on our VPS and we are using it directly from there. And as you can see here, we have created an account and logged in. Let me just click on continue without channels and you will be able to see the calendar. So whatever posts that have been scheduled will be showing here. Now to add a channel, I have tried almost all of these, guys. If you want me to show how any of these integrations are done, kindly let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that as well. Many of these have changed, guys. Medium doesn't allow integration tokens anymore since last year, so you can't like directly post onto Medium. You just need to like create a playwright automation and do some browser automation techniques using playwright so that you can post your articles on Medium. Whereas dev2, you just need an API key, which if you enter here, it will directly connect and you can like schedule posts on dev2 and all your posts will appear there. This I have tried and I use it regularly as well. Whereas YouTube and LinkedIn, you need a client ID. I'll show you if you want. I'll show you how to do this YouTube integration. You will need, yeah, this client ID, you will need it. Same goes with LinkedIn as well. Yeah, so just for adding each channels, Reddit actually has stopped completely providing API, client ID and client secret, and whatever app you create on the Reddit developer portal, it has to go through an approval process since recently. So yeah, Reddit is off limits as well. I think they have changed their policies specifically so as to not allow people, or so as to not allow agents to scrape Reddit data. Anyway, yeah, if you want me to like make videos on adding channels into your Postiz instance so that OpenClaw could connect to this and start scheduling content onto this Postiz instance, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll make detailed videos on how to add channels to this particular Postiz instance and how to ensure that your OpenClaw is able to post the content you create, schedule the content you create to be posted onto Postiz, and Postiz will automatically post it on that particular channel that you have added. So yeah, let me know if you found this video helpful, guys. Kindly share it with someone so that it might help them too. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you would like to watch more content on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And so yeah, in my next video I'll show you how to use OpenClaw to create an agent that will automate content creation completely for you or your brand. So yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.